Hey guys, Christian from Imperial Workshop, and today we're going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble your scavenger hilts. Let's get into it.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is unscrew the handle to the hilt. And once we get that off, we're going to set it to the side. We're then going to move to the back of the hilt and unscrew both of these screws located directly behind the button. Once we get this screw out, we're going to go ahead and move back to the front of the hilt and push in on the button. If you don't push in on the button, you won't be able to remove the top part of the hilt off of the core, just because it sits in the way of the hilt. So go ahead and push it in, and you should be able to just slide it right off. To put the scavenger hilt back together, we're going to go ahead and slide the core into the hilt, line your power button and charge port up. Move to the back of the hilt and go ahead and screw both of the screws in. Please note that the bottom screw is the smaller threaded screw and the top screw is the longer screw. Please keep in mind when you're tightening the top screw that you do not need to over tighten it. If you over tighten it, it could actually damage the button or charge port. So just go ahead and tighten it until the button and charge port are sitting securely in the hilt. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and grab the handle of the hilt and screw it back on.
Thanks for watching this video. If you need any further assistance or run into any complications, please reach out to the email linked in the video's description. See you in the next one.